Now below us is that 3 1/4 by 14 duct between the two modules. So when the second floor was set on top of this module, these had to line up. So in the factory, the ducts that Mickey is touching, those were already installed by us to length. The tubes that will connect those to these, which are connected to these 3 outlets in this particular bedroom. And I'm going to take you to the bathroom, and then we're going to see how quickly Mickey does this. We come in here. Down below, we had strapped the other ducts. Mickey's pointing. They left an opening. He's pulling the tubes through. Pulling them through. We already had the length right. Did this all in the factory. So on site, our entire goal is to minimize the labor for the builder and the general and the HVAC contractor. In this case, Wiseman Heating and Cooling of Pittsburgh. They've been amazing to work with, and they've just been a gift. As you can see, Mickey is tightening them with the male-female. Kind of show us one of those, Mick.
There's your 2 tabs that go into these holes here. You stick it in.
Twist.
Twist. Click. Click. 2 clicks.
2 clicks. And it's leak-free. But because we like to be even more specific, because installed properly, this system will not leak air, and you will get the energy and the air and the cooling and heating produced by that blower will come out of the outlets into this home in order to make it a very comfortable, amazingly livable, low energy cost system. Unico is just fabulous. Unico small duct. As he's installing the UL 181 tape around the joints, just as an again, we recommend this. It's even more leak-free. The air couldn't escape there with a prison break.
And it's fortified in case there is any movement. If for some reason another trade needs to come in and move something around, it's going to be stronger holding these 2 connections together.
Outstanding point. So as he finishes that, boom.
That's all dialed in. These go up through here, through the soffit, and then come out.
What's your timer say, young man?
We are at 2 minutes, 2 seconds.
So we installed 2/3 of this duct system in 2 minutes and 2 seconds, and now we'll show you the other 3 that we've already connected and or brought up through the floor. You gonna host us here, brother?
I'm coming with you.
All right. Gonna go to the bathroom? Just the one that's in the floor there.
Okay,
Right
this
there.
one here.
Yep. Now, how did we do that, Mick?
Once again, it was coming up through the floor off of the 4-inch flat duct. We measured a number of times to make sure that we were right where we were. Once they set this floor onto the first floor, we reached down, we pulled this up, it's right where we need it.
Perfect.
The only thing that needs to be done now is the faceplate being put on it after the tile is
Which will be
complete.
attached in the same manner you just did the couplings.
Correct.
Awesome.
Minus the tape.
And you can show them a finished one in here. These 2.
These 2 here, which was the same process here. We cut this to length, pull them up. My connections are up in here. We can't really see it, but they're right here. I pulled this up out of the floor the same way, made the connections, taped it, done.
Perfect. Perfect. Anything else you want to say about this project?
It went pretty smooth.
Oh, it was
After it was
awesome.
all, once we got on site, everything was dialed in, we were done.
In the factory, after we got accustomed the first day to the structure of the 2 modules, we did all this the second day in 1 day.
In 1 day.
In 1 day.
Yes.
So 1 day in the factory and the contractor with everything done ahead of time, maybe a day,
Right.
including installing the RV.
Right.
That's part of the story, guys.